You start? This is Hachi, gray collar, or black collar, I should say. He has gray collar, but actually has a black collar for everything else. Hachi. There he goes. Looks like he just noticed you. Oh, he's been good. Come here. He's very respectful. Come here. Come on. Yes. Puppy.
He's cheating for this guy. I've already spent quite a bit of time with him.
What?
I've already spent a little bit of time with this guy.
What about him?
He's kind of cheating. He knows me.
Yeah, you have. Yeah, well, they say you don't have to be a complete stranger. Just I can't do the evaluation and all the testing. That's the thing. I say he usually lets me put them on his back, but.
There we go. Weird.
He didn't like it this
He
time?
normally does, yeah.
Yeah, he usually does it all the time.
Weird.
Hold on his back all the time.
He's normally the chillest puppy.
Hmm?
He's normally the chillest puppy.
Makes you a lot. Maybe you should let him before you got right in the touch line. Maybe you should play with him a little bit. You know what I mean? So because he might need a second to relax. She's got a ball for him. He'll find one. He's looking at. Find a ball for her. So if you don't run ball, you can throw balls with her. Come on over there. There's 2 or 3 balls over there. Off camera. Wild interest. Is that?
That's what you should
Yeah, give it some time here. Where's that big green one? Okay.
What's the snuggle?
I don't know. They all want to snuggle. But they were all kind of napping too.
Now he's laying on his back.
Is he now? Yeah, see? So I think you just didn't give him enough time to relax between he was so nervous on edge.
Could be. Yeah, see, no, he's fine. Should have saved this for Jonas too.
What?
That would have been good, Jonas.
Why? Oh, we're doing this?
Yeah.
Except that, like, you know all the things about it. He doesn't.
Yeah.
Look at him right now, though.
Now he's
He's very touch tolerant. You just can't, like, you can't test them when they're all amped up. Like, he's like, no. He's already relaxed. He looks like Harley was doing.
Look at him. With his legs dangling off.
I know. He's so relaxed. Pretty low prey dog though.
Do you want prey drive?
For some things. You want a honey dog, yeah. It just lets you know what kind of where he's like lays, where he's strict play. Also, I think just one dog that plays and like, you know. I bet you Ezra had a pretty high prey drive. He was a puppy.
Can you do this with Ezra?
Yeah, I know. Actually, I went back and look at it. Actually, I have it.
Did you do that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I think Ruby or maybe it was you or Ruby who did it. I don't Hank did it too. I can't remember.
Yeah. There we go.
That's just playing. That's not necessarily a prey drive. It's just going to play, relax. He looks at it.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't. I'm not with it.
Alright. Dog. Hey, dog. Oh, he's a little scared of the dog.
Is he? I'd say submissive, actually. Like, I'll lick your face, but like, just leave me alone, don't hurt me. He's sucking his leg. He's like, oh, look at that face. You give him his butt. It's so weird.
He's not sniffing it, so.
Just get him. Oh yeah, he's little. Oh yeah, I like him. He's not gonna hurt me. So you can't get another thing.
Yeah.
He's really relaxed. He wants to grab that thing.
Huh?
Oh wait, no, it's fine.
Come on. Come here. Come here, puppy. Puppy. Come on.
I'll go around it.
Come here.
Oh, good job.
Come here. Puppy, come here. Come here.
Oh yeah.
Come on. Puppy, come here. Hey, you got it. Come here. Puppy. Come here. You got it. Come here, puppy. Puppy, yeah. Puppy.
He went out the wrong side.
Puppy, come here.
There you go. Good job.
There you go. Come on. Yeah. Oh, yeah, there you go.
You got there. Good job.
Good boy. You gotta get down. Huh.
Poor puppy.
Puppy. He has eyebrows too.
Yeah, no, I like his eyebrows.
Come here, puppy.
Their digger sounds and stuff. That's sweet. Did you even hardly move?
No.
I couldn't tell from my angle, but I can tell
It
from
was in my
angle.
lap, so.
Yeah, it's okay. He slid off. But he's not like a prying or nothing.
No. He's a little weirded out by it, huh?
Yeah, they're all weirded out by it. Well, hardly even a whimper, actually. See if we can get him up on the floor over there. By that. There you go.
Get this. He's supposed to be on that.
I know. So you're just gonna turn it on. Of course, he's already trying to get your lap, so he really doesn't count. I'd say he's moderately, maybe, but not really. Maybe medium.
I can do it again if you want.
Please get him on the floor and see if he tries to run to you. He's halfway in your lap when you did it. Now turn it on.
No. Stay there.
Mm-hmm. He wants to get your lap, but he's not. I would say he's moderate.
He's supposed to be on my lap.
But he's been one trying to get out the whole time.
I'm not sure if it's caused by the sound or not.
No, he just wants to be snuggled. They're very snuggly, all of them. Alright, just sit your hand hard is all we need left. He's fighting your legs. Flip over. He's really concerned about you. Can you see him? Turning tender. It's like he's really tender. Aww. He's licking you. Like, I want to get in your face. That's cute.
Yeah, you started licking my face.
Yeah, yes, he did. He's hungry. I'd say. Little baby. That's a wrap for Hachi.